Okay, at the first, open the folder and find set up file PCB Express that will be installed. Well, for those who don't have the setup file PCB, you can download it in the internet. In here, I have two types, Express PCB Plus and Express PCB, but I will choose Express PCB and double click to open. In the setup file, you're in Windows file. You can immediately install it from mirror, or you can also be extract first. But I will install it directly from here. Double click to open it. The menu like this will appear in a few minutes. Follow the instruction below with pressing. After that, choose I accept the terms and the license of agreement. Next, in here, you can select the folder to save software location on your PC and click next. If there is menu like this, you can press finish and wait for it. Well, now Express PCB can already be used. Okay guys, I have here video for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye.